Is working, so I would like to test that soon. See, make sure, whatever. In digital sea we flow, lines of code we float. Dun 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 dun. Dreams with heart. Okay, so one of the things I'm thinking about here. Form our way. Dun 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 dun. Landscapes ascend. Code the world with joy and thunder. Hack the night with worlds to plunder. Spark. I know I'm a terrible singer. Thank you. Thank you for tuning in. This is wild. The star is wild. Dark too bright. Into sight. So let's go like this with the moons. Every stream. Bum, 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 bum. So we'll start with a starting angle. To make the pixels dance. Fill the world with joy and thunder. Hack the night with worlds to plunder. Spark. Wonder to the dream by the light of a night. Hold on. Okay, so far, then we'll just go angle plus equals. We're caught. To make the pixels dance. Hold the world with joy and thunder. So let's see. 80 divided by 100. So each new moon that we get, or planet, the moons, it's going to generate a random angle, and then as it goes through each moon and it loops through, the first moon, of course, is going to use that angle, and then each successive moon is going to have an angle added to it. So they'll kind of spiral around. Oh, we need to spiral them out as well. By the light of and wonder by the light of okay, 150 divided by 1,000 plus 0.15. Excuse me. So the oh. See there, so it kind of spirals out. Why do I always get the ones where there's 0? See, this kind of, they spiral out. It's a planet we roam, algorithms are home. Code in space we find, dun da 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 time. in this cosmic grind. I would like them to meet up with each other again as they spiral around. So maybe let's just go. Let's go more pi-ish. 157. Bam 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 bam. Dun 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 dun. In this cosmic grind. Bum, 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 bum. Look at some of these patterns are so cool. Oh, let's check the TTS real quick.
Programmer Jeff, hello.
There we go. We wrote. Bum 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 bum. Ba-bum. Bum bum bum. Our way. Go the world with joy and thunder, hack the night with worlds to plunder, waves and wonder, shade the dreams with the light of under. Oh no, it's a reverse. Run! Everybody run! 4 nums? What? 4 nums. A, B, C, D. Int 6. A, B, X, C, D, X. There's a string. String is always X. Okay. Why is that one 0? Ba-da-bum. Do bum bum ba da 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 dun 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 ba da dun da da dun bum 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 ba da bum bum bum. How can I? What are we doing? Joy and thunder, hack the light with words out of splendor, waves and wonder, by the light of under. So what do we got here? Bum 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 bum. Bum 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 bum. Oh wait, what? What? It's actual multiplication? 40 times 10 is 400? Oh, 60, 50. Bum 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 bum. Bum 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 bum, do do do, dun 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 dun, do 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 do, oh, God minds, dun 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 dun, activities ends. Here with you. Oh, so it's actually so int the actual number equals a times 10 plus b. In the digital dark. Boo boo boo. Turn in my hands. Dun 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 dun. Oh, see? And then we just need to convert those back into this funky you. Ooh. Bum 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 bum. So what if we go num divided by 100? 0, 0, one of them gives 4. Okay, so boo, 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 doo, doo, doo. So we want that, and then we print a space in the digital dark. Dun, 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 dun. Divided by 10. Keep going. And then in my hands. Bum, ba, bum, ba, 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 ba. Divide by 1,000, divide by 100, divide by 10, then it's just num mod 10. Here with you. With you. Ooh. Does that do it? I think that does it. Oops, except for... Wait, how come it... What? Oh! La, 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 la. So let's go like this. Worth a while. Bum ba bum ba da bum. Excuse me. Excuse me. So this one is 100. I don't know that this will work, but ooh yeah, because when I get to the 4 and then yeah, so there we go. And the numbers, it's working the numbers. Some T string, some T dot Z fill 4. Ah, I don't know. Print that dot join. Okay, there we go. Oh, zfill dot 4, so it can. Okay, so it maximum. Okay, all right, I got you. I got you. Print dot dot dot. Array dot 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 artist string dot pad start 4 comma 0. Wow. Come on, Leonard TV Severe. Severe. We're living dreams. Dun dun dun. Oh wait, no, not that one. Sorry. Go to this one. Look at the moons. The moons. Excuse me, they're moony. Bum 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 ba ba dum. Na 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 da da da. Na 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 da da. Ba da bum. Galactic Trading Square. I wonder. Computer. All right. Go to home. How do we do a new conversation? That's cool. Ba ba bum. Na 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 da da da. Feels so free. What's this? Let's get motivated. Okay. Anyways. Oh, that's okay. Yeah, frame buffer. Of course, I know, but ah. Hoo hoo. Ba-la-la, bum, bum, ba, bum, ba, bum, ba, bum. Do, do, do. Ooh. Bum, 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 ba, bum, 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 ba, boo. Ooh. Ba, ba, ba. Let's make your solar system as efficient as it is mesmerizing. Here's a basic plan. Create a frame buffer object, attach a texture, render the planets and moons, use this texture for rendering each frame. Let's get started with some code. Render the texture, render the planets and moons. Actually, let's do that. Maybe that's what this night will be like. That's all we're going to do. We're going to render the, because I think that'd be a really cool texture, and then I can save the texture too.
Start with a hobby, a spark and a dream. OpenGL Shaders, making pixels gleam. High numbers, dance and rhythmic spree. Fractal art like nothing you've seen. Code base grows like vines on the wall. From simple lines to a complex ball. Threads, structural bliss. Each compile brings a coder's kiss. From hobby time to mighty quest. Kickstarter backers gave their best. Evolving fractals in light's domain. Success in code, it's not in vain. Shaders blossom and colors bloom. In the dark of a programmer's room. C++ threads weaving night and day. Patterns and paths in grand ballet. Raised from passion like a phoenix fire. With every backer's dreaming higher. Pixel by pixel, worlds unfold. In rhythmic beats of stories told. From hobby time to mighty quest. Kickstarter backers gave their best. Evolving fractals in light's domain. Success in code, it's not in vain. Create some passion like a phoenix fire. With every backer's dreaming higher. Pixel by pixel, worlds unfold. In rhythmic beats of stories told. From hobby time to mighty quest. Kickstarter backers gave their best. Evolving fractals in light's domain. Success in code, it's not in vain. The quiet of the night, ideas take their flight. Solo death, we strike, bringing worlds alive. Hands on keys, quickly. Every line a twist of fate. Pixel dreams awake the call. Digital
Let's just go. It looks like it's aside from the plus equals, or the colon equals. That isn't that Pascal or something? I don't remember. Is that all it said? Yeah, right here. Ba-bam, ba-ba-bam.
Digital rise from great to small. Pixel dreams in the sky. Locks of color floating by. Peaceful moments we find. Create
In a world's in our mind.
soft
And all it can do. Ooh, the rivers flow. Texture, width, and height. Okay.
touch the moon. Crafting stars in our room. Let go of the day, unwind. Leave the stress far behind. In our pixel paradise, everything feels so nice. Quiet nights and calm seas. Mountains sway with the trees. Subtle beats, a gentle sound. In this world we are unbound. Coding
Okay, I gotta put this away. I'll be right back.
digital walls frame our dreams. Soft flow beats, a gentle sound. In this world we are unbound. Let go of the day, unwind. Leave the stress far behind. In our pixel paradise, everything feels so nice.
Okay, so we just need to rearrange the points for drawing on the the frame buffer. Ba-ba-bum, ba-bum, ba-da-dum.
Coding lines forming streets. Digital walls frame our dreams.
Excuse me.
Soft focus in the
So the frame buffer
without a care.
and the texture.
Coding lines forming streets. Digital walls frame our dreams. Soft focus in the air. In this world without a care. Let go of the day, unwind. Leave the stress far behind. In our pixel paradise, everything feels so nice. Fingers on the keys, coding every line. Rhythm of the beats, heart in perfect time. Binaries and ones, through the night we race. Flashes on the screen, keeping up the pace. Hold the dream away in the night and day.
Oh,
Highs and lows we
excuse me.
never gonna sway. Syntax come to life, logic like a flow. In this game we dive, let the passion
Oh, a viewport.
classics in the mind, fueling our design. Every beat we find.
Oh, 0, 0 is the bottom left, and texture width, texture height is the top right. Oh. That's kind of weird. But that's okay. So what's a good size for these? Like, what size is that? Let me just... See, the height of that is 270. Line. So we can go easily 280 by 280? Okay. So we have 10 planets that are 280 by 280. And then the moons are super small. Moons are 20 by 20? Super small. Okay. 280 by 280. And then there's a bunch of moons. Bum, 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 bum. Oh, square root. Yeah, okay. Pronouns for that moves are that. So what's the... So 910 by 910. Let me see, 910. But how would that work for the 280? 840. Oh, so 333. All around. See if it catches on to what I'm saying. What? Okay. Plus 20 padding. Okay. Actually, each one, because 280, we can have one planet, And then with another little 20 gap, you can put all 10 of them in just a little row there. Dun, 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 dun. What about the 10th one? Oh, 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 oh. Ba-da-da-dum, 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 ba-da-da-dum. Da-da-da-da-da-da-da-bum-ba-ba-bum. Thunder, ethereal way. Ba-ba-bum, ba-da-bum-bum. Well, that would be a really cool texture to make. Ethereal way. What about the 10th planet? Bum, bum, ba-dum, ba-da-da-da. Ah, oh. Okay, I can't sing. Ah, ooh, ah. Was that good? I don't know. Ah, oh. All 10 planets fit neatly. Okay. Back goes in sun. Dun, 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 dun. I don't think I've ever done this quite like this, but so let's go down to the initialization here. Create noise texture init palette. Okay, so let's go with the There it is. So we also need that. What do we need? Frame buffer object. Texture. Oh, okay. So let's put those up here. So we don't need these. Okay, everything's there. Texture width and height. We can pass that in, but we're going to want it to be 900 by 900, right? And then 910 by 910. Huh? Oh. Pixel light. Ooh. Excuse me. Solar system frame buffer. There we go. Bum ba bum and texture width and height. Texture solar system. Okay, so my bad. We should unbind the frame buffer after rendering to it. Then render to frame buffer. Then you can call this function after setting up the frame buffer. Create frame buffer render. This ensures you render the texture first, switch back to the default frame buffer for normal rendering, not skipping. Okay. Alright, this is so cool. Alright. So we don't want to do this yet. Create solar system frame buffer. Render to frame buffer. Okay. So if it's already bound, bind texture, bind frame buffer. Okay. Excuse me. Let's streamline the setup. Let's focus on how to render the planets and moons directly after the setting up. Set up the data for the planets and moons, render the frame buffer. Space object, position, color, size. Oh. GLM vector. What is this weird? Triangle fan. Oh, I just rendered them points. Calculating the positions within the dimensions of your texture. Here's a streamlined approach. We'll position each planet and its moons within the 9x9 texture. First, let's set up an organized grid. Divide the texture into sections. Each planet has an insert planets of space and its moons. Yeah. Here's a way to arrange them. Number of planets, moons per planet, planet size, moon size. Oh. Calculate positions. Planet X, 20 plus padding for the moon. Hi, oh yeah. Add planet, add moons around the planet. Oh, and then it puts the planet. Okay, I got you. Oh, computer, what are you doing? Oh, you're drawing one point at a time. Okay. Boy, I gotta be super verbose with this thing. Dun 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 dun. Outer space. Number of planets times 1 plus moons per planet. Oh, I got you. Total objects. I already have all this done. I already have all this going on. Okay. Okay, this is getting way out of hand. I have to tell it too much stuff. So let's go like this here. So we don't need this. Now let's create a new functions. Okay, so we have the frame buffer and the texture right there. The texture is created. Attach the texture to the frame buffer. Check if the frame buffer is complete. Alright, let's just run it and see if we get that error. If the frame buffer is not complete, we'll get an error. It'll print to the screen. Did it run yet? Okay. Okay, because I didn't unbind the frame buffer. So for now, I want to put that back. What are we doing? Oh. $15 flat. But it didn't give the error, so that's fine. The starry moons. I should be fine with that. I just want to make sure to still draw. Yeah, okay. And then we'll leave that up while I work here. Okay. So that does work. So next is just render to that frame buffer, and then we unbind the frame buffer. Yeah, so let's see here. So once upon a time, isn't that what I use for the data? I use a thing here, a background star, and then I use an array of stars. So the only thing different, Then, oh, I see. Yeah, I'm going to skip this optimization for now. This is too involved because then I'm going to have to change everything to render to textures. And yeah, let's just skip that optimization for now. But that's a good optimization to do. All I'm going to do is comment this out, and then I'm going to comment this function out. And I'm going to move this to the bottom of the file. So we're going to keep this because that's too involved. Okay. And then we'll go back into the main where there's an issue with that function. There we go. So we'll implement that optimization later. Okay, I think that might be all. I might be back on later. Not sure if anybody